Hello friends, welcome to Cloud Master. Today our topic is we are going to see how can we receive events from Microsoft Defender into Azure Sentinel. We will set up the integration and we will see how can we do that. So many a times we receive this request like I did uh, in my job. So I thought of creating a video on this. So you can also see how to do this. So for this, let's go to portal.azure.com first. So in case if you are not aware about Azure, how to log in, how to sign up for the first time, I have created a video for that as well. I'll leave a link in the description. You can just have a look, go through it, and then you can come back to this video. Okay, so for now, we have this Azure portal page based on your, uh, history. If you have logged in the past, you have created your resources, so you may see many resources over here. But if in case if you are logged in for the first time, you may not see all these resources. So which is perfectly fine. So in case if you see event hubs over here, since I have used it earlier, I can see it. But in case if you don't, just type event hub over here. Event hub. Don't go to event grid. We are going to event hub. So it will take you to the event hub page and it will show you if you have any event hub created earlier, and it will also give you the option to create a new one. So I will not take any event hub which was created earlier. I'll create a new one so that you can see how to create a new event hub. What is the process? So I'll just click on create. That's loading, taking some time. Normally it doesn't take this long. Now we are going to create an event hub namespace. So this is our subscription, Microsoft Azure. Choose a resource group. So in case if you do not know what a resource group is like a container. So if you are creating any resource in Azure, you will have to create a resource group for that as well. So that resource group will contain all those resources. So the resource group is a must. Now let's take a name. Yes. So Defender events 007. Okay. Let's see if it's a valid name. Yes, it is. We got a green check. So it's a valid name. Choose location. You can choose any location as per your preference. I'll take a standard pricing tier and throughput I will get to. We do not need enable auto inflate feature since this is for testing purpose only. Version 1.2 TLS, which is good. Public access tags. Maybe you can assign any tag like maybe environment. This is for tag. It will now review plus create. It will validate all the settings what we have done so far to create this namespace, if it is good or not. If there's any problem, it will show us and ask us to correct it before we can proceed further. In our case, validation succeeded, so just click create. And while it is creating this namespace, okay, before we proceed, let me also tell you what this event hub namespace is. So event hub namespace, we use it majorly to create integrations between third-party tools with Azure. So we get data into event hub namespace and we can send it from here to other tools like maybe IBM QRadar or Splunk. So all that we can create different integrations. So an event hub's namespace is again a container, and we can have multiple event hubs into this event hub namespace. So we will create Event Hub once this namespace is created. So we will see that. While it is getting created, there is another very important feature which we need to check if it is enabled or not. If it is not, our deployment will fail. So let's go to subscription, click your subscription and go down here. You will see resource providers. Over here, just make sure this Microsoft.inside is enabled, is registered. It must be green. If it is not, your deployment will fail. Let's go back and see if Event Hub namespace is ready or not. Yes, so deployment is complete. Let's go to this resource. Okay. Now we have Event Hubs over here. So we have created Event Hub namespace with this name, but there is no Event Hub within this Event Hub namespace. So let's click on Event Hub. Let's create one. Okay, we are good here. We do not need capture. Validation passed again, and so we are going to hit create. And while it is getting created, it has successfully created it. Doesn't took long. Okay, we are good here. Now let's go to other tab and let's go to Azure Active Directory. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create an app and we will provide access so that it can connect with Defender portal, and we will also provide it access so it can connect with Event Hub. So it will have both ways access, and it will receive events from Defender and it will send it to Event Hub. So let's create an app. Register an app registration. Okay, so while it is coming up, let's go to Defender portal and let's see what configurations we need to do over there, and then we will come back to Azure Ready. Okay, so this is our Defender portal and this is streaming API. So now we are going to create a streaming API so that Defender can send events to Event Hub. So hit add name events to Event Hub, forward events to Event Hub resource ID. So which ID we need to take here, let me show you. If I go back, so go to Event Hub namespace, not Event Hub. So we have one Event Hub over here, so do not go to Event Hub, but go to Event Hub namespace and go to properties and take this ID. Go back, enter this ID. Event Hub name. Now you can enter the Event Hub name or you can leave it blank also. So in case if we leave it blank, so Event Hub namespace will create every time a new Event Hub when it receives a new category of events. So there are almost 15 to 16 categories, so it will create 15 or 16 kind of Event Hubs every time it receives a new category of events. So we are not going to leave it blank. We want all of those events should come into one Event Hub only. So we are going to provide name of Event Hub here. Let's go to this Event Hub, and this is the name of Event Hub. This is the Event Hub instance. Okay. If you want, you can choose all three and you will start receiving alerts and events. But in my case, I want only these alerts and hit submit. And just so you know, we can also create a pipeline between Defender and storage account in the same way. When you hit add, you will see this option, forward events to Azure storage. So that we will see in some other video. But over here, we have done our job. There's nothing else we need to do on Defender side. Let's go back to Azure portal and app registration. So we are here on Azure Active Directory. Now let's go to application, app registrations. When we come here, so we will see these are owned applications, and this is the application we have created, O365 tenants. Let me show you how to create one from scratch. So just click on new registration, give it a name like test, choose which tenant you want to use in. If there's single tenant on Office 365 and Azure both sides, just choose this one, first option. And you can skip it, just hit register. So when you do that, you will see this application will be registered like this. We have O365 events. Now come to this app application and come to API permissions. You need to provide certain permissions to this app so that it can connect with Office 365 and Event Hub both at the same time. So you should have required permission. So how to give the permission? For that, you need to click on add a permission. And go to Microsoft APIs first. You will see Office Management. So let's see, search for management. Office 365 Management API. You need to provide access to this application when you hit. Let me take it to the next step also. Let me show you completely. So ideally you need to provide application permission, but you can provide delegated as well. So if you like hit application, check all these boxes. Since it is already authorized, so we are not getting add permission button here. So but in your case, you will see add permission and click on add permission. Likewise, go to delegated permission and do the same. Now search for, and likewise we need to provide few more permissions like exchange. It's not necessary, you do not need to provide this one, but the necessary one is, let me show you, Windows Defender ATP. Yeah, this one. When you search Windows Defender ATP, you will see that. And there's one more, Microsoft Graph and Microsoft Enterprise Insights. This is a very important one. And along with this, you will also see Event Hub here. Where is it? Let me search it. Yes, here it is. Event Hub access. It's on the top. So you need to provide access to this one as well. So once these all are added, just come to this button, grant admin access. Click on it. It will ask your ID and password. Once done, you will see all those applications. They are in green, like here. So we are done for here. You will see. You will start receiving data in your Event Hub like this. When you go to messages, you will see these, this graph going up and down, and number of messages you have received, 7 days, 1 days, and all that. So That's how you create a connection, integration between Office 365 and Azure Event Hub. How to read all this data and how to process it, we will see it in our next segment. So if you like this video, please click on subscribe button and like this video, share with your friends, and please let me know if you need more videos like this. I'll create more. So thank you for this. Thank you for watching.